Welcome to Make It Easy. This video has brought to you an amazingly easy alternative to your restaurant-style tomato spaghetti. This instant recipe, made with basic home ingredients, makes luscious, piquant and absolutely delightful spaghetti, enough to make you drool. Let's get started with the recipe. Take 3 packs of Maggi noodles, boil some water in a vessel. To this boiling water, add 1 tablespoon of oil. As the water boils, it's time to add Maggi noodles to this boiling water. Carefully cook the noodles so that they don't overcook and keep firm. Now drain the water of the noodles and wash them under cool running water. Take 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and heat it. Now add the noodles that we have already boiled to this oil. Keep the flame high and gently cook the noodles. Lightly fry them. Now add the Maggi masala taste maker. Because I had used 3 packs of Maggi, so I will add all 3 packs of taste maker to this. Now mix the spices well with the noodles. Keep stirring till it combines well. Also take care that the noodles don't break off. Once the taste maker combines well with the noodles, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup, the regular tomato ketchup. Mix it well. It should look somewhat like this, and your tomato spaghetti is ready to serve. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe once at home. You are surely gonna love it. Do subscribe to our channel if you like the content of this video, and don't forget to hit the like button and press the bell icon for more updates. Share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir once again.